Hey everybody, it's I Want to Be Retro. Today we're going to be taking a look at running hostmon in a Docker container. So after getting logged into the server that's going to be running Docker, we need to install a few prerequisites that are required to get Docker up and running. Next we're going to add the Docker GPG key and apt repository. And finally install Docker, Docker Compose, and Containerd. Once the installation completes, we're going to make sure that Docker service is running and add the current user to the Docker group. Now that Docker is up and running, we're going to create a working directory for hostmon to store its data in, and set the owner of the working directory to the current user. Next, we'll start up a temporary hostmon container so we can copy out the SQLite database. Using the docker cp command, we'll copy the SQLite database from the container to the host. We'll use the docker rm command to remove the temporary container, and then run the updated docker run command to use the persistent database. In a web browser, navigate to the docker host IP address :3000 to reach the hostmon web interface. Welcome to hostmon running as a Docker container with a persistent database.